What's the creepiest thing a member of your family has ever said? 1. I had an uncle buy me silk underwear for my 16th birthday, and when I opened it said you should try it on right now. 2. I was babysitting my nephew overnight and he told me there was people on the stairs. 3. My grandpa asked me if I was going to breastfeed when I was pregnant. I said I was absolutely going to try. He then gave one of my boobs a little jiggle and said, "With these little things? Good luck." I was left with my jaw on the floor. 4. My grandfather cared for his handicapped daughter after she was hit by a drunk driver at 21. When he was super old he said something like he deserves some sort of award/accolade for never sexually abusing her. Excuse me, what? 5. My alcoholic uncle at my 12th birthday party: "You grew up real nice. If we're ever alone I'll take it as a yes." I had no clue what he meant until I was older. 6. My 33-year-old cousin tried to subtly convince me to have sex with him the night before his wedding when I was 15. When I was 17, I was at my family reunion